With another drink review, and we have another flavor of 503 Distilling and Cocktails. This time we're doing watermelon lemonade. The first time we did huckleberry lemonade, and that one was good even though it was strong. This one is also 11% alcohol, but I am hopeful that I'm gonna like it because the other one was so good. Oh, the cans are cool. I like the little bearded guy.
It says 2 cocktails per can, so it's like 2 drinks. No foul language on TikTok.
Oh shoot!
Let's take a whiff.
That smells like rubbing alcohol again.
Really?
Yeah. Remember the first one I was afraid to drink it because I was like, that smells way too strong.
It's good. Tastes like watermelon, tastes like lemonade.
It tastes like cough medicine.
Really? I like it. It's good.
How?
It tastes good to me. I don't know. I mean, I think it's not as good as the huckleberry one, but it's still not bad. I think the huckleberry one, maybe you can taste the vodka a little less. You look like you're sick.
That's a no for me. He could drink these, and I'm sure he will because he likes them. We also got another pack of the huckleberry. I'll stick to that if I feel like drinking because I can't do this. He likes it, so I guess it's a try at your own risk.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys next week with another hopefully a successful one next weekend on my part. Bye.